This is my audio now, and this is how it was before. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move background noise in Capcut PC. Let's begin.
So now we're in Capcut and we're going to be removing the noise to make our audio better. And this is the audio we're going to be using today.
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 Yes, baby.
So that's the audio we're going to be using today, and we're going to see just how well Capcut can clean this up. So because it's just an audio file, there's no video, so that's why you're not seeing anything in the player. But if you did have a video, what you could do is this. I'm just going to bring this in here, right? So this is a video, yes, of an interview with Chris Williamson and Alex Omozi. So you just shortened it, then you click the clip, right click, extract audio. So now I'll just mute this by clicking this button here, and then
slaves worked all the hours they were awake for their entire lives.
okay, that was a crazy coincidence that the black guy picks the part of the interview where they're talking about slaves.
In American history, in Egyptian history, in
That's actually, I swear I didn't plan that. I just picked it at random, and yeah, this is not actually about slavery. He's using it as an example to show how the extent to which we can work. It's actually a great example. It's a great interview. You should check it out. But this is a really nice.
Slaves worked.
It's clean and it's crisp. So, but we're not working with this. I just want to show you if you had a video that had bad audio, how you can extract the audio and process it separately in CapCut. So we're not using this. We're just going to delete. So what we are using is this one. Lots of noise. So let's get to work. So select the audio. Now, because it's just an audio, we really have the basic settings, the voice changer settings, and the speed settings. So basically volume, fade in, fade out, some other effects. Voice changer, you can basically try any of these effects here. Yeah, if you want to try them, I don't think you'd ever need them. So maybe you're doing like a trying to manipulate your voice. Then the speed, basically how fast it goes. You do this.
1 2 3 4 Yes, baby.
Yeah, it gets really fast. So we're just going to put it back to 1. Where's 1? Yeah, so back to the normal length. So you increase it, it gets faster. You reduce it, it gets slower. That's basically how it works. So let's just go back to basic. Now we're going to scroll down to noise reduction. So home to take the playhead back to the beginning. Now you're just going to click noise reduction and noise reduce. So now let's see how it sounds.
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 Yes, baby.
So it did reduce the voice. Well,
1 2 3 4
so this is the before.
1 2 3 4
And this is after.
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4
So as you can see, there is a difference. Well, the original audio is actually pretty kind of bad. I think I exaggerated. I was too close to the fan because I really wanted bad audio. But this is actually still pretty decent. With a little bit more processing, you can make it sound good, like using their enhanced voice feature, vocal isolation, and loudness normalization. By the way, vocal isolation basically like takes the voice away from a song, but you can also use it to clean up vocals. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, this is basically how you can reduce noise in Capcut PC. So thank you if you made it to the end, and I hope you found this useful. See you next time.